Hi and welcome to a new video. Closing all background apps helps to speed up your iPhone. It can also help to close and reopen apps if they have minor bugs. In this video, I will show you how you can close all open apps on your iPhone. Let's go. Unfortunately, there is no way to close all apps on an iPhone at once, but I'll show you how to close them as fast as possible. If you were using an iPhone 8 or older, you can close apps by double pressing the Home button and then swiping every app one by one to the top. If you own an iPhone X or later without a Home button, swipe up slowly from the bottom of the screen to open the app switcher. The apps will be represented as cards. Swipe through the applications until you find the app you want to close. Swipe up on the app you want to close until it disappears from the screen. You can also close up to 3 apps at once. To do it, swipe up on 3 apps at the same time using 3 fingers. Note that all apps need to be visible on the screen at once. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.